Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to colorize black and white photo with AI on mobile. If you want to colorize your black and white photo, so you just have to install an application from your Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar, and here you just have to search for an application named Colorize image. Just search for it, and here you just have to look for this application and install it. Just tap on install, and after that this application will be installed on your phone. After the installation you just have to open this app. Just tap on open, and here you just have to tab on choose image from gallery. Just tap here, and after that tap on allow all, and then select your black and white photo. Just tap on it, and here just tap on colorize. You just have to tap on watch ad for free colorization. Just tap on it, and then just skip the ad. After skipping, your image will be colorized. You just have to tap on save, and this image will be saved on your phone. So that's how you can colorize your black and white photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.